And agree, every readers a good quality of sheet. I think it's a good applause for readers. I'm proud of my first log. It's a very good quality.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our North Country Cheviot show for this year's Royal Winter Fair.